Okay, this is my part one of modifying GSXR 600 2008. Today I'll be talking about how to clean your headers. I've watched a few YouTube's video in America on how to clean your headers. Unfortunately, we can't get those product in Australia. The closest thing to it would be this shit here. If you're in Australia, we use this metal clean polish stuff, but I haven't tried it on yet. I'm using the American technique, which is simple as if you're in Australia, you grab this. It's 1 shot thick. It's from Bunnings warehouse. What it is a toilet. In Australia we call it a dunny cleaner. Industrial grade. You can't get your really industrial grade from Bunnings warehouse, but you can get that's the only one that's there, unfortunately. You get them at plumbing shop or whatever. And I've sprayed it on 10 minutes and it's come out like this already. It's taken all the crap off and polishing it up. So I just have to run some water on that in a few minutes and probably just spray it on again, because the one in America is 14% hydrochloric, sorry, I can't pronounce it. What is it? It is right there. Sulfuric acid, 10%. The American ones are 14%, and it seems to do a better job, but I couldn't get it. So after this, I'll be part 2. When the parts arrive, I'll be installing this with this is a K7 stock pipe. I'll tell you the difference, because I'm a military coated welder by trade, so I know my shit when it comes to steel. Now the only difference between the stock and aftermarket is the way these are bent. Now shit exhaust, obviously these are there'll be a bend in there and it will stretch the metal. Now if you look at the stock standard, it's nice, there's no fold in the bend and no kinks, meaning this is good enough as a it's pretty much same as an aftermarket. Only difference between this and aftermarket, all the curves are done correctly, same as the stock. Now if you buy a Chinese aftermarket, you'll have folds in the steel itself, and you're stretching the metal here, meaning it's not flowing correctly. So I just stuck with the K7 headers that fits on a 2008 model. They're slip straight on, and then all I have to do is if I get canary for this, all I have to do is put the stock muffler back on, and it's a stock headers anyway, and I'll have a K7 exhaust back on a K8, which I prefer K7 than K8. It's got a shorter stock exhaust, but yeah. So we're going to be slipping on M4 Slayer shorty pipe when it arrives, and a power commander, and a service buddy servo eliminator for the thingamajig here, what you call it, that flaps in and out. But yeah, so this is the part 1 of my YouTube video. Follow me, subscribe, and yeah, I will, each part that I modify and fix and change tires, I will show you guys how to do it the easiest way, so that way it saves you some money getting ripped off by your local motorbike repair shop. So yeah, see you all soon on part 2.